This is why you can't lose your own self being like, man, why don't you just get this? Why can't you get it? Nah, it just ain't time for them to get it. I mean, if they get it, they get it. You just do your best to just stay on what you want. You feel like dropping something off on somebody, drop it off on them. If they don't want it, cool, I'm gone. It's not your obligation to try to give medicine to somebody who wants to stay dead. Imagine a doctor going to the graveyard and he like, I'm finna revive everybody in here that's dead.
Damn.
No, sir. Ain't gonna happen. If they want to stay dead, leave their ass in the graveyard. It might sound cold, but it is what it is. So stick with the living. If you gonna talk like you talking about light, stick with the living. Your energy is gonna be appreciated because you are now around energy that coincides with your energies. You know, like the law of reciprocity. You want to stay around people that give that energy back to you. But if you going around people and you trying to resurrect them from the dead and they want to stay dead, what are you doing? Go where you appreciate it, not where you tolerate it.